afternoon. It's Saturday just after lunchtime. I'm just doing a quick video. I have listed my altered labels in my shop, the ones that I've been showing you all week, and so there'll be black and red, and I've done a PDF file. I'll just show you where it is. Just let me find it. So just go backwards a step. These are, I just chose 9 to a page to print those ones, so that's a pretty good size. But I did do a PDF file with another two sizes as well. So that's the 9. Oh, then this is the PDF file. So they're the smaller ones because I wanted them to be smaller. And also there's a slightly larger size. Now this is just printed on regular paper here. That's the slightly larger size. So it actually is smaller than those there, but slightly larger than the other one. So I think the PDF file was about 4 pages. And then I did a print also, you know, with that sort of sample one. I just added in a Graphics Fairy one there. So you can even do the 35 to a page. There's 35. Oh, I didn't print one. I didn't print out on here. 35 to a page. They work out about this size. So that could be quite useful as well. Obviously, it says a sample page. So then you get the little what's the word? The name of the file underneath. That's all. That's the only difference. But these are quite cute to use on tags and things as well. So that's just to show you. You've probably all seen these. I'll just show you a few projects, how I've been using them. So I've been making sort of flip outs to write on and put a little label there and a little label on the back. And then on altered envelope here as well. So they're quite cool. They really, and then this is going to be a flip out. They really do embellish things really well. Here's another one. So you don't need too many elements to decorate a page with those. I don't think I put one inside that one. So these are just some collaged book pages that I've been doing. Now also my collaged papers, I will be working on that digital file today or tomorrow, so keep your eye out for that. But I may or may not do a video. I might just, next time I do a crafty video, I might mention it. So as you can see, I'm really enjoying using the little labels. It's really pretty with the Tracy Fox paper, just lovely. I love, that's one of my favorites, really nice there. And that was from Sue. And then here, so the basis behind these is the collage paper that I did about a week ago now. Is that far? That long ago. So it's super fun to use these labels. Nothing there. And then there's one here as well. I really like this one too. And then, and I use that one there. That I love that. So really cool. There's 3 labels that aren't in the 2 colors, that they're just the black version. But then there's, so I said there's 35 between black and red, plus, so there's 32 that are black and red, and then 3 that are just black. So that's it. That's how it is. So that's how I've been using the labels. This is the Graphics Fairy label, but you could do that with the labels in the listing as well. And that is all for this video. I'll be working on, as I said, my collagey things as well this weekend if I can get to the computer. And I just want to try to I really like these. I'll probably do something with those as well. But I think I want to just have a go at rescanning them with the new scanner and see which I like best. Because these are very soft and pretty. I just wanted to see how the other scanner scanned them. So that is it for today. I hope everybody's having a good time. I've put in another video that I can't remember what time. I programmed it yesterday, what time it should go up. And I think it's going to be, I can't remember. I think I was doing these in that video, these sorts of things. So I hope everybody is well and you have a crafty weekend, and I will be back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.